Jolly. Meaning, full of high spirits and good humor. Example, the children were jolly during the holiday festivities. Crisp. Meaning, firm and fresh, easily broken into a crunching sound. Example, the wafers had a crisp texture when bitten. To light. Meaning, showing good manners and consideration for others. Example, it's important to be polite when meeting new people. Gentle. Meaning, kind and mild in temperament. Example, she spoke in a gentle and soothing voice. Fluffy. Meaning, soft and puffy in texture. Example, the kitten had a fluffy coat of fur. Glow. Meaning, to emit a steady light or warmth. Example, the candles cast a warm glow in the room. Scent. Meaning, a distinctive smell or fragrance. Example, the flowers in the garden emitted a sweet scent. Quaint. Meaning, attractively unusual or old-fashioned. Example, the town had a quaint charm with its narrow streets. Cautious. Meaning, careful and aware of potential risks. Example, the hiker was cautious on navigating the rocky trail. Graceful. Meaning, elegant and smooth in movement or appearance. Example, the ballet dancer performed with graceful movements. Tender. Meaning, soft and easily chewed, showing gentleness and care. Example, the meat was tender, cooked to perfection. Lively. Meaning, full of energy and enthusiasm. Example, the party had a lively atmosphere with music and dancing. Gleam. Meaning, to shine brightly with reflected light. Example, the sun made the water gleam like diamonds. Brisk. Meaning, quick and energetic. Example, the brisk walk in the morning invigorated her. Spacious, meaning having a large amount of space. Example, the living room felt spacious and open. Hasty, meaning done quickly and without much thought. Example, his hasty decision led to some unintended consequences. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more knowledgeable videos.